Shopify gives you 3 months to build a real store in 2026. Not theory, not demos, an actual business. Let me show you what that time is really for. What this trial really is. This is the Shopify 3-month free trial. 90 days. Enough time to stop rushing. Enough time to learn what you're doing. Enough time to launch without guessing. This is not about playing with settings, it's about building something usable. Day 1. Setup. You start with a blank dashboard. First step is boring but necessary. Store name, currency, time zone. 5 minutes. Now Shopify knows how your business works. Most people overthink this. Don't. Design without overthinking. Next is the theme. Shopify's free themes are already optimized. You don't need custom design on day 1. Pick one clean theme, preview it, publish it. Your store now looks legit. Editing the store. This is where people waste weeks. Logo, colors, homepage sections. Keep it simple. Clear headline, clear button, one goal. You can redesign later. Right now, clarity beats perfection. Adding products. Now you build the thing that makes money. Product title, description, price, images. Write like a human. Explain what problem it solves. Add variants if needed. Save. You now have inventory. Payments. If payments aren't set up, nothing matters. Activate Shopify payments. Cards, wallets, local options. Once this is done, your store can take real money. This is the moment your store becomes real. Shipping. Shipping does not need to be perfect. Start simple. Flat rate or free shipping over a certain amount. You can optimize when orders actually come in. Don't block progress here. Apps. Apps extend Shopify fast. Email capture, reviews, basic upsells. Install what you need, skip what you don't. More apps doesn't mean better store. Orders screen. This is the screen you're working toward. Orders, customers, payments. Even if it's empty now, learn it early, so the first sale doesn't feel confusing. Analytics. This is where the 3 months really matter. Traffic, conversion rate, sales. Watch what people click, fix what they ignore. This is learning time, not pressure time. How to use the 3 months smartly. Month 1, build the store. Month 2, improve products and pages. Month 3, market, test, prepare to scale. If you treat the trial like a countdown, you'll fail. Treat it like training. 3 months is enough to build something real. Not perfect, but working. If you've been waiting to start, stop waiting. Use the trial properly. Build the store once. Build it right.